Birds are one of the most amazing creatures on Earth. They can fly and soar through the sky. And their songs are beautiful and inspiring. Having a bird as a pet is a great way to experience nature up close and to enjoy the beauty and inspiration of these amazing animals. When you are feeling down, a plate of oatmeal raisin cookies can help to boost your mood. The smell of cinnamon and sugar will fill your house. And before you know it, you will be smiling again. These cookies are perfect for a quick pick-me-up, or for when you need a little bit of comfort.